Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Yadav and I welcome you all to class 8 physics. Now we were already discussed about the kinetic energy as well as potential energy. Now in today's class we are going to discuss some numericals which is based on both the topic, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. Before starting the numerical, I want to remind the formula of both the energies like kinetic energy and potential energy. So the kinetic energy is equal to 1 upon 2 into m into v square. Okay, where m is the mass and v is the velocity of that object. Okay, whereas potential energy is equal to m into g into h, where m is the mass of that object, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Okay, so both the formula of kinetic energy and potential energy are there. Okay, now we are going to solve some numerical. Okay, the first question which is given on page number. The first question is given on page number 64. The question is, calculate the kinetic energy of a bullet of mass 60 gram moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second. Okay. Now listen, what is given? Given part. What is given? Kinetic energy of a bullet, mass of bullet. What is mass of bullet? Mass of bullet is 60 gram. Okay, mass of bullet is 60 gram. Now this bullet is moving with a velocity, that is v. Velocity of bullet is 100 meter per second. Now find the kinetic energy. Calculate the kinetic energy. So we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So what we have to find, that is kinetic energy. Now what is the formula of kinetic energy? That is 1 upon 2 into m into v square. Okay, so remember that m should be in kg, mass should be in kg. Remember that mass should be in kg, but here the mass is given in the gram, so we will convert this gram into a kg. Okay, so what we can do, that is 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So we have to find the 60 gram. So 60 gram is equal to 60 upon 1000 kg. So finally you will get that is 0.06 kg. Okay, so remember that when we have to convert a gram into kg, then you have to divide that unit by 1000. Remember that. Okay, अगर आपको ग्राम से kg में कन्वर्ट करना है, so only you have to divide by 1000. आपको 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा and it will convert into a kg. So you will get 0.06 kg. Now velocity is already given in meter per second, so only you have to put all the values of mass and velocity. So 1 upon 2 into what is the value of mass, that is 0.06 into what is the velocity, that is 100 into 100. V square, what is the meaning of square? It means you have to multiply into 2 times. So V into V. V square means V into V. So V into V. And finally you can solve it, that is you will get 0.03 and after multiplying that is 300. What is the answer? Is it 300? Very good. So 300 joule will be the right answer. So kinetic energy, it means if a bullet having mass is 60 gram or 0.6 kg and it is fired and its velocity is 100 meter per second, then definitely it is possessed by a kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Which is possessed by due to its motion. काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती क्या है कि किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में अगर मोशन है तो उसकी वजह से उसके अंदर क्या आती है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी आती है. और अगर उसके पास कुछ मास है, डेफिनेटली इसके पास कुछ मास है एंड ये मूव कर रही है किसी वेलोसिटी से. अगर ये वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रही है, इट मींस कि उसके पास कुछ काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी. सो अगर 60 ग्राम है, 100 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर की स्पीड से मूव कर रही है, सो व्हाट विल द काइनेटिक एनर्जी? दिस विल बी द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर to each and everyone. Now move to the next question. Okay, let's do some question which is based on potential energy. Like it is given on page number 66. An object of mass 35 kg is raised to a height of 15 मीटर. एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, दिस इज योर ग्राउंड. ये क्या है? ग्राउंड है. अब एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास क्या है? 35 kg और उसको 15 मीटर हाइट पे रेज किया गया है. ठीक है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसका मास कितना है? दैट इज m इक्वल टू 35 kg. अब इसको ग्राउंड से कहां पर रेज किया गया है? ग्राउंड से इसकी डिस्टेंस कितनी है? दैट इज 15 मीटर. आपका मास ऑलरेडी केजी में दे रखा है, सो यू डोंट नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट. ओके, एंड द डिस्टेंस इज गिवन, दैट इज हाइट, दैट इज h इज गिवन एज 15 मीटर. ओके, now calculate the potential energy possessed by the object. Now you have to find the potential energy because this object is as height. ठीक है, potential energy क्या होती है? due to its position, shape and size. ठीक है, so यहाँ position की चेंज हो रही है, definitely this object contains some potential energy. And the formula of potential energy is potential energy is equal to m into g into h. What is the mass? Mass of the object is 35 kg into what is g? You have to take g as a 10. Okay, so 10 into that is height 15. ठीक है, so after multiplying finally you will get 50 to 50 g. So this is your potential energy which is contained in this object. Okay, so this is the type how you can solve the numerical which is based on kinetic energy and potential energy. We will solve some more question on our online classes. So thank you so much and God bless you.